What is going on, fam? Today we're joined with Peas and we're taking the Volvo for a ride out to East Waterbury. If that location rings a bell. These guys are fraud, bro. Turn off the fraud. But so we're going out to East Waterbury. That location might ring a bell for some of you guys, if you know what I'm saying, on the boys, Connecticut. But we're going to see Dave's tuning, and I'm not getting the FD tune. Obviously, the car's not put together yet. I'm not getting the daily tune. None of my cars are being tuned today. But we are going to meet up with Baba and Booty, and they brought the trailer out there, and they have the DC5. So after a long time of finally getting that car registered, going through it with the DMV, having to like go through all these emissions, VIN tests and whatnot, it's been a struggle. So it's relieving to finally see this car like being put on the roads and getting a tune, which I don't really think it needs right now. It just has a short ram intake and a J37. You could probably find some sort of base map on K-Tuner. But besides the point, they want to get it tuned, so it's fair enough. Going out to Dave's, and we're gonna see what this baby makes. It made 205 to the wheels previous on just the SRI. The only added mod is the J37, the K-tuned. So that's a 70 mil throttle body. We're not a J37, it's just a K-tuned like 70 mil throttle body. I'm assuming it's probably gonna make 207, 2010. I'm not thinking the throttle body is gonna restrict it. Sometimes more air isn't always better depending on your setup. But it's a K28, so the head flow is nice. I'm assuming it's gonna do 207, 210. If you guys wanna leave any guesses down below before the dyno footage comes up, feel free. And also when we're there, we're gonna talk some business because Dave is the guy that I wanna go to get the FD tuned up. I heard he's a good tuner. He works with you. He'll give you a reliable conservative tune if that's what you want, and not just a full send tune, which some tuners like to do. So we're gonna talk some business over with him. Hopefully figure out a few things and get something planned for the FD. But anyways, I will see you boys in Waterbury. Let's get it. So boys, we made it out to East Waterbury. We are at the Dave's headquarters right now. He's tuning. Oh, he's tuning a CRX right now. I'm not sure what he's got in there. We are here with the DC5, and we are up next, hopefully within the next like 10-20 minutes. While we are waiting, we are joined by a little boosted, I don't know, I think it's a D series, might be a B. It's a little EK coupe right here. If your tip ain't this big, do not talk to me. Big fist test right there. That's gotta be like a 4-inch. Start turning. Yeah. Look at me. Okay. Straight in. Straighten it up. Sneaky little K. She is officially under the knife, guys. She's ready for that Dave special tune. Getting her up there right now. And she is going to the moon shortly. Yeah, I don't know if y'all seen that new dyno drip, but my guy got that dyno Mida. It's the newest flex on the block if you haven't heard about it. a little over an hour later of some diagnosing and fixing some little kinks here and there. Cam position sensor for one, something going on with the battery. But after Dave actually taking his time and going through the car, she is on the dyno and we are ready for some power poles. So time to get loud in here and put it down. How we feeling, Baba?
I am tired right now.
Word.
But nervous.
But nervous, but excited.
Yeah.
You driving this thing home today?
No, I just got to put it on the trailer.
No, you're not, really?
Well, because the inside ECU pin keeps finicky.
Oh, okay.
Keeps flicking it on and off important stuff, so.
He wasn't able to fix that?
I mean, it's just literally, we'll just do it tomorrow, just unbolt everything, check it, make sure everything's good, rebolt it back. Should be good to go tomorrow then.
So some wiring.
Literally, just unbolt it, bolt it back in, make sure.
Case here, ready to respond to a bigger result. Okay? The exhaust is choking the car.
Yeah.
I can't lower VTEC. VTEC is right now 5,300 RPM. When I try to lower, it just chokes and then it kicks back up. RSX that out too.
Yeah.
Okay. You know what I mean? I'm fighting through restrictions everywhere.
Yeah.
Okay.
Man. He's a fucking man.
So we're stepping into the pit right now. We're up front with the DC5. And so far, she's putting down like 203 to the wheels. And he's got the rev limiter set at 8,600. The biggest thing right now is the exhaust is restricting it. I'm not sure what the spec is on this. It's gotta be like, probably the HM's around 2.25 for the mid pipe to 2.5 on the axle back. So this is a DC5 K28. I'd have to assume it's around 2.5 straight back. I'm not sure. But Dave right now is saying if we had a bigger exhaust, like a 3-inch, either a full race or a skunk 2. You guys know there's not too much 3 inches for the Ks, but he's saying if we did have one of those, that this car would probably make around 220. But as I said, right now it is at 203. I think we're doing 1 or 2 last power pulls to dial it in. Dave's adding a little bit of spice, some tuning to her, he's adding some timing to her, and I'm hoping and I'm assuming it's gonna end around 207, but that was my initial guess. That's what I'm gonna stick with. You already know, repping the hybrid, John. Come on now. Discount code BillyFD2. Like I got the RC builds on deck. Got the dragsters out here. Come on now. Got the man himself, Dave, here.
He's a fucking man.
He's ready to do one of the last power pulls, probably a couple more. If you guys are from the Connecticut area, you've probably heard of them. If you guys are in the Honda scene. If not, definitely come down to East Waterbury and check him out. He's one of the best Honda tuners in the game. Got a couple buddies tuned by him and have had no issues. So here we go, one of the final pulls. We're sitting at 203. I'm hoping she reaches around 207 on these final couple last pulls. the final pull of the night. The last pull, I think it was still right around 203. Maybe a little more. I'll write it down right here. Correct myself if I'm wrong. But he made a few more adjustments on his final pull. I'm still sticking with my original guess and saying around 207, but we shall see. This is the final pull. After the final power pull, JB is hitting the roads and he is testing out the new tune. Hoping she runs good, nice and healthy. She's clocked out at 205. Booty's sitting passenger right now. We'll see him when we get home. Hopefully the ride goes well. Should, everything sounds smooth. She's sitting at a clean 205.
How's it feel?
It feels really good.
Right?
Yeah.
You just gotta fix them